An important feature that you want to make sure that you pay attention to is your course navigation settings. So right now you can see in my course navigation, I have all of these different things listed. But for a student, we don't want them to have that many things. And so what you'll need to do is set your settings down here by clicking on settings. And then going up here to navigation. Now you can see right now I have all of these different things here in my navigation. This is way too many for students. So what you want to do is you want to drag everything down below that you don't want. So Zoom, if you have a Zoom button, you really don't need Zoom on your navigation. We don't have grade sync, so you won't need that. Maybe you'll need Hello ID and Google Drive. That's up to you. At this point, you probably won't be using badges. We'll put the second Google Drive down there. Collaborations you are probably not going to use at this time, or conferences because we use Zooms. So all of these things you can move down below and get them out of the way. You may decide that you want your grades to have a tab on the left, so you can leave that there. Maybe you want to leave discussions there. Depending on how you set up your assignments, maybe you want them there, but maybe you don't. Maybe you want them to just get them from following your classwork buttons. So I'm going to drag that down as well. And maybe you don't want them to reach modules from the side either. You want to get them to get to where they want to go through classwork. Maybe you want to keep announcements. That's up to you. Maybe files you'll put down here, studio. So all that to say, you can decide what you want to go in the side navigation and what you don't. That's going to vary by content. It's going to vary by grade level. So if I'm happy with the items I have here, maybe I want Hello ID close to home base. I can drag these around to different locations in the course navigation. But once I decide what things I want in my course navigation, it's really important that I click save. And then when I go to home, and I go to my student view, you're going to see that only those things that I chose are here in the student navigation. So really important setting that you want to make sure that you set up right away for your students so that they don't get overwhelmed by their course navigation.